Mahirap yan. Kulungin na lang natin, sir. Walang dumaan yan sila sa... There was never a time na sinabi ko, patayin ninyo yan. Minsan yung harap-harapan sa crime scene, nakita ko yung bata, 3 years old, Ray patay, tapos nandoon yung tiyuhin. O sinabi ko, putang, patayin mo. Out of outrage. In the moment of outrage yung, putang. Sir, kulungin na lang natin yan, sir.
Ano nangyari doon, Mr. President? Yung insidente na yun, napatay nga yung tito? Pinatay? Hindi.
Hindi.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Senator Risa.
alam na alam ko po na matatalino mga taga-Philippine Military Academy. Hindi po yan ang issue. Ang kinaklarify ko po ay kanina sinabi nyo na in-encourage nyo ang PNP na i-encourage yung suspect na lumaban.
Yes.
Para mapatay, para
Yes.
masabing nanlaban.
Correct.
Correct.
Para
That was a very
ma-minimize.
incorrect.
Correct, yes.
Very incorrect po, if I may
Yes.
say, as a
It's not
civilian,
a-
sa professional police.
It depends
tayo,
on,
Mr. Chair.
ano na natin yan, ma'am. That's your view, that.
It's not my
Hindi
view
ka
only, Mr. Chair.
dumaan ng,
Thank you for
hindi ka
putting it on
dumaan
record.
pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, dumaan ako, prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes,
Yan
salamat
ang totoo
kayo, Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
a
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of a community.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you for putting it on
Hindi
record,
tayo
Mr. Chair.
magkaintindihan dyan.
Senator Estrada has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
At
Alam niyo,
kung pabalikin ako, sir, gagawain ko uli yan. Dublado.
Your Honor.
silence please.
Osaa, silence the gallery and those who will do that again, exclude them from the hearing hall.
Gallery, please do not encourage me.
Okay, Mr.
Okay,
President, Mr. President, it's now Senator Estrada who has the floor. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Yes,
Chair.
sir.
Alam niyo po, nag-mayor din po ako ng San Juan, kaya I know where the former president is
Marami
coming
ka rin
from.
siguro pinatay, sir. Alam ko.
Mr. Chair, Mr. President, bibigyan ho namin kayo ng pagkakataon to air your side dahil nung napanood ko po yung mga revelations ng mga resource persons sa Quad Committee sa House of Representatives, marami po mga revelations po ang